So I just thought it'd be really cool to show you how to make a dragon voice sound effect. Now the principles that you'll see here you can apply in pretty much any audio editor. Audacity is another good one. I just really enjoy being in Sony Vegas and working here, so that's why I'm using this one. So let's go ahead and we're creating two audio tracks. And we're going to record our voice, and you just do the best you can to kind of sound like a dragon. And honestly, it's okay if it doesn't sound that good, because once we start applying effects, it'll make it sound a lot better. So let's go.
Hello there. I am a dragon. And I sound like this. Oh, this is a peculiar sound effect. Stop it, you're annoying me.
You don't need to go any further than that. Okay, now let's go ahead and add a pitch shift. And we're going to bring this down to 4. So you're lowering the pitch, right? And it sounds about like this.
Hello there. I am a dragon.
But we're not there yet. It's not quite dragon-like. So we're going to copy that and apply it a second time to the track beneath. Now we're going to lower the pitch by 1 to 5.
Hello there. I am a dragon.
Not too bad. But we're not done yet. Now if it's a dragon, and suppose it's in a dragon cave, then we should add a little bit of an echo. Now the simple rule of thumb is when you're adding a little bit of echo and you have multiple track layers, you add it to only one track, and it's whichever one is closest to the original sound. So this is -5, this is -4. That means we want to apply it to this one, right? -4. So we're only going to apply it to this, putting up the little, it sounds a little bit like it's in a cave. Let's listen again.
Hello there. I am a dragon. I sound like this. Oh, this is a peculiar sound effect. Stop it, you're annoying me.
And there you go, you have the voice of a dragon. Now you can also use this if you just want to make a dragon roar. So we're just going to copy and paste those exact same effects over. And then I'm going to bring down the volume a little bit because it's going to be too loud. Let's try this. Not too bad, right? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, so that's how you do it, and that's actually how I did the voice for the dragon movie that I made on my main channel, which is called The Dragon Tamer of Flost, a full-length Minecraft movie. So you can go there and see what it sounds like in an actual movie. But yeah, so that's just a simple way to make your own dragon voice.